Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Bang & Olufsen BEOSOUND 1 portable Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if it's not syncing with the app properly, anything like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason you want to wipe everything off of this speaker so that you can go ahead and set it up as a brand new speaker. This reset will do that. It will wipe it to the way it was when it came out of the box. So all we need to do is, with power to the speaker, we're just going to come in and find this little recessed reset hole right here. It actually says reset here. And there's a little hole here. You'll stick a paper clip in there or something similar to that and just press and hold this reset button. And all the while you're pressing and holding that button, you're just going to keep an eye on the status LED and the lens LED lights. And when they flash red once, that means that the reset has started. So after that, you just need to wait about 1.5 minutes for the reset to complete, at which point you can set this speaker up like it's a brand new speaker.